Hi guys, welcome back again to my recipe channel. If you are new to my channel, kindly consider subscribing, and if you are my returning subscriber, thank you so much. And on today's video, I want to prepare omena recipe. As you can see, nilishaichagua, so iko safi, very clean, and I have with me my ingredients. So I'll be using 2 tomatoes. Zimeiva hizi, so ziko tamu sana. I have some onions and the coriander leaves. Hii ni skuma, of course, nitakaranga baadaye, and I don't love using too much spices, so I'm going to use salt and I'm going to use curry powder as well. And besides that, I also have I don't forget to have of course, my vegetable oil. Yeah. I'll go ahead and chop my ingredients into pieces, and of course I'm going to start with onions and later tomatoes and then coriander leaves. And now I'm done, guys. I have everything that I want to use ready. And the next step is to start by frying our omena to that perfect, that golden color that we are looking for. We're doing this together. So don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe as well. So at this point, guys, you have to be very close to your meal, the meal that you're preparing, because omena sometimes it can misbehave. Na unaona inaweza ungua. So from my video you can tell it that already shanza ku change color, but not yet. So I will continue stirring until I get that perfect color that I'm looking for. At this point, I added in some water and not forgetting to add my last ingredients, the coriander leaves, and I let it cook for 2 minutes and I will be done. And of course, guys, allow me to wrap my video at this point. This is the end result, guys, and omena is such a nice meal, I can say, because it helps you can get some source of iron, and this can save you from some of the chronic diseases, since it's rich in vitamins, we have proteins and even minerals. So let's meet on the next video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe.